Mathukuru ma mathomo ma iguru guku bururi-ini mari mutaratara-ini wa kugacirithia mathomo kugerera mitambo ya Kiriu. Uguo ni kuringana na Beth Kirato, murutani thukuru-ini wa university, uria ugite ati mitaratara ino ni kiguni kuri arutwo othe.
The Open University has brought a new dawn in the Kenya education system, where learners are able to access education in a flexible, affordable and all-inclusive way.
Githomo ni safi ya muturire hari murutwo wothe, na meririria ma murutwo arikia mathomo ma secondary makoragwo ari kuingira thukuru-ini wa university, no riu Ekra Ndong'u, murugamiriri kiama-ini kia mathukuru ma kothi cia moko ma andu kiumbe, ni oritie arutwo kwaga guconokera thukuru ici kuona ciri na uguni makiria.
It's important the viewer also get to know that there is something that we call recognition of prior learning. And this is good for that person who is working as a mechanic, but they have no papers to show. Yes. They have the skill, but they have nothing to show. So they cannot even get jobs with corporates. They cannot get, they cannot give their services to government, but they are the best.
Kuringana na John Kenywa, uria warite ari mihango-ini ya uthomithania wa ciege mathomo thukuru-ini wa University ya Nairobi, augite ati hari bata arutwo kuhimbiria na kwiyandikithia na mutaratara wa ngombo cia mathomo nicio HELB na kigina kiria thirikari iheanaga mathukuru-ini kuona ni cihuthagiria aciari murigo wa marihi ma fithi.
As university, what we did when we were admitting the new first years in September, yes, because they came without anything, we just come with a form showing that you have applied for University Funding Board and a form showing that you have applied for the Higher Education Loans Board. With those two, unaingia kwa system without any single coin. Then we wait for the remittance from the government and the HELB, and then we calculate the balance of what is remaining for the parents to pay.
Mwena-ini wake Joyce Gure, uria ni muteithiriria wa murugamiriri wa maundu ma uthuthuria ministry-ini ya githomo, ni oritie thirikari hamwe na anyiti itemi honge-ini ingi gukorwo ikihimbiria mitaratara ino ya githomo niguo kuhukia iremithia iria mageragira ta ministry ya githomo, undu uria unyititwo mbaru ni Solomon Wanyama.
The ministry would like to leverage on the triple helix, yes, at the basic level, whereby government is the enabler, academia produces the solutions, and industry comes and gets solutions from academia.
We are doing a lot of online engagement with students. Yes. And by the time I see ourselves in the next 5 years with this actual program course, we want a Kenyan, by the time is transiting from high school to university, we have developed something that we can call a student loans scholarship calculator.
Girifotera Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Maina.